Welcome back, traders, stackers, and truthers. Silver Gold Man here. We're Sunday, April the 8th, 2018. All right, traders, so I'm not sure if you had an opportunity to watch the video I uploaded last night, but I've come back from Vancouver about the first set of mining rigs. In fact, I have the tech guy here showing up within the next 15-20 minutes, so I got to hurry up and get this video done. During that video, I was mentioning how George Soros had now gotten involved into cryptocurrencies. And I notice Bitcoin Ben is telling everyone now that it's the end of the world. Anyways, the bozo Ben doesn't do his research, and I'm about to share with you the real news. Now the Rockefellers are moving into cryptocurrencies, not just George Soros. So the story is crypto benefit is fewer gatekeepers, he says. Rockefeller empire gets into Bitcoin. And no, not the shorted Bitcoin Ben, ya bozo. Venrock, the venture capital arm of the financial empire, began by John D. Rockefeller, as placing a multi-million-dollar bet on the bright future of cryptocurrencies. Did you get that, Ben? Ben the bozo. I can't believe he's uploading video. Why do these long-time losers who've got a zero track record of calling anything, how can he get thousands and thousands of views? And I'm not jealous. I'm really questioning about the sanity of the viewership on YouTube. There seems to be a lot of low IQ people here that just don't keep track of the facts. So I'm not about the face, I'm about the facts. Let's get into some real facts here. Venrock eyes crypto economies and crypto token-based projects, not to short them. In an exclusive comments to Fortune, David Pacman, remember the name Pacman, is one of the VC's firm's partners, confirmed it had partnered with CoinFund. We'll get into that shortly. A New York-based blockchain technology research advisory and investment firm active since 2015. The move, subsequently confirmed by both parties on social media, marks the Rockefeller conglomerate's first direct hookup with the cryptocurrency industry. Pacman underscoring that Venrock was interested in long-term industry support, not merely shorting the markets. Did you get that, Bitcoin bozo Ben? I can't believe these guys. I can't believe they just don't do their research. Anyways, I knew that George Soros getting into the cryptos was a good sign at this point. If he had said it at the top, when we're reaching the over 15,000, as I said, I was looking for a pullback around 12, 15,000. We went up a $4,000 higher to 19,000. If George Soros had came out at that point telling you guys he was getting into cryptos, and I'd say, oh, well, watch out, he's going to short the bejesus out of it. But now that Bitcoin's back, we're off 64%, I think, from the all-time highs. It's not time to get in there and start shorting it now. You're looking for a buying opportunity, and that's why I said in last night's video, I believe we've hit the bottom. The last push down. I'll do some charts later on in another video, but even MACD histogram, I don't know if you guys know how to work the histogram, but histogram itself is telling you that we're running out of sellers. Anyways, he goes on to say, we wanted to partner with this team that has been making investments, not shorting, and actually helping to architect a number of different crypto companies. Sorry, that's my tech guy. I have to go unlock the door. Anyways, and crypto token-based projects. He told the publication April 6th, there are a lot of crypto traders in the market. There are a lot of cryptocurrency hedge funds. This is different. In fact, to us, it looks a little bit more like venture capital, not shorting. So, yeah. I think we're off to a beautiful start here, guys. The big players are starting to show up. And his final, I like these final comments. He says here that gatekeepers tend to charge rent or toll on users. Pacman continued to Fortune in a probably contrasting tone. The benefit of the advent of crypto is that we have fewer gatekeepers. Excellent. Excellent. And even Jake Brookman, coin founder, he happened to mention the same thing. You know, they're talking about they see tremendous opportunity and the potential for the technology to disintermediate middlemen. That's right. Get rid of the middleman. Isn't that what the Bitcoin was all about, right? The banking and all the visas and all that other jazz, right? Long story short, I think that having the Rockefellers and George Soros getting involved in the cryptocurrency market is a good sign. So I'll leave it with that. We'll see what happens in this market moving forward. But at this point, I think the Bitcoin has found the bottom, and that's your Bitcoin news for today.